Good morning, students. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institution online classes. Now, on last time we discussed about the exercise 8B, and I told you the question number third and fourth. Now, move to the next questions, and the rest questions are same. Now we move to the next question number 17, which is important also. See page number 104 in your book. In an isosceles triangle, prove that the altitude from the vertex bisects the base. In an isosceles triangle, I hope you all understand what is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. A, B, C. Two sides are equal in an isosceles triangle. So here its question is say, in an isosceles triangle, prove that the altitude from the vertex, altitude means होता है perpendicular. Altitude from the vertex, तो vertex है तो यहाँ पे perpendicular draw कर देते हैं, which makes, obviously बात है कि नहीं perpendicular है तो it makes 90 degree from the base. Base से कितना डिग्री में आएगा? 90 degree. From vertex A, I draw here AD, perpendicular on BC, according to the question. देखिए क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है. फर्स्ट थिंग ABC triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. If it is isosceles triangle, then its two sides are equal, and which two sides? AB and AC. AB is equal to AC. It is given, and AD is perpendicular, and AD is perpendicular on BC. To prove हमें प्रूफ क्या करना है? टू प्रूव AD bisects AD means this AD altitude. AD क्या है? एक altitude है. Altitude means होता है perpendicular. AD is altitude. You have to prove AD bisects BC. BC क्या है? BC बेस है. BC क्या होता है? BC बेस है. It means you have to prove BD is equal to, if AD bisects BC, it means it implies that BD is equal to DC. BD क्या होगा? DC के equal होगा. Given to prove, and now prove. See the proof. How will you prove it? देखिए आपको क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग आपको BD is equal to क्या प्रूफ करना है? DC इक्वल प्रूफ करना है. BD is equal to DC. तो ऑब्वियसली बात है, we take these two triangles. We take triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, ABD and ACD, ये दो ट्रायंगल्स मैंने लिए हैं. क्लियर? कौन से दो ट्रायंगल्स? थोड़ा सा इसको हाईलाइट कर दे रहा. ABD and ACD. I hope you clearly see ABD and ACD. Now in these two triangles, angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. ABD is equal to angle ACD. लेकिन ये एंगल ABD ACD क्यों इक्वल है? Why? The reason is that the angles opposite to the equal sides, the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. मैंने थ्योरम में बताया था आपको. Angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. It means it is given because AB is equal to AC. Since AB is equal to AC, that's why we write it. Now next, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Each 90 degree. Each 90 degree. Why? Because AD is perpendicular on BC. Okay. Now the third point is AD is equal to AD. Okay. AD is equal to AD. It is common. It is common. AD is equal to AD. Now see, angle, side. Okay? Which combination is applied here? Angle, side. Angle, this angle and AD side. By AAS congruency. By AAS congruency, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Clear? ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Now, अब अगर आपने दो ट्रायंगल्स को अगर आपने कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ कर दिया है तो आप CPCT से उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स को इक्वल शो कर सकते हैं. अब आपने ये दो ट्रायंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ कर दिया है तो इनके करस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स को आप क्या कर सकते हैं? इक्वल शो कर सकते हैं. तो देखिए यहाँ यू कैन राइट BD is equal to BC by CPCT. By CPCT. Clear? Now you can write AD, which is altitude. AD क्या है? Altitude है. Altitude bisects. Altitude bisects altitude of an isosceles triangle. Altitude of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle bisects base. Clear? ये क्वेश्चन आपका हो गया, प्रूव हो गया. नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वन मोर थिंग, क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 इट इज डन एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 जस्ट इसी के बाद में क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 जो गिवन है वो इसका क्या है? कन्वर्स है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 जो है वो 17 क्वेश्चन नंबर का कन्वर्स है. ठीक है, तो उसमें ये गिवन है कि ये इसको बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है और आपको प्रूव करना है कि ये परपेंडिकुलर है. ठीक है, If the altitude from one vertex of a triangle bisect the opposite side, prove that the triangle is isosceles. आपको triangle isosceles prove करना है in question number 18, which is opposite of converse of it. You can say converse of it. Clear? तो आप लोग easily कर लेंगे. Now we move to the question number, and the rest questions are easy. And we move to the question number 26. See the question number 26. How do we do it? Question number 26. Now we move to the question number 26. We move to the question number 26. In the given figure, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle and BC is produced to D. ABC is an equilateral triangle and BC is produced to D. In equilateral triangle, each angle of 60 degree, we know that, and we have to prove AD is perpendicular on AB. Now prove, see the proof. In triangle ABC, angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degree. It means each angle of 60 degree. Each angle of 60 degree. See, angle BAC is equal to angle BCA is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle 60 degree. Because in equilateral triangle, each angle of 60 degree. Now we move to triangle ADC. See, in triangle ADC, side AC is equal to side CD. Side AC is equal to side CD. Clear? Side AC is equal to CD. It means the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. The angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. यहाँ पे दोनों साइड्स इक्वल है, तो एंगल opposite to it are also equal. It means angle CAD is equal to angle CDA. Clear? In triangle ADC, angle CAD is equal to angle CDA. Angle CAD is equal to angle CDA. I told it to you earlier, and reason also told you. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now, angle BCA, this one, angle BCA. मैं इस एंगल की बात कर रहा हूँ, एंगल BCA. Angle BCA is exterior angle for this triangle. This triangle में भी for triangle ACD. Clear? That's why angle BCA is equal to angle CAD plus angle CDA. ठीक है? किसी भी triangle में जो exterior angle होता है, ठीक है? The exterior angle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. तो इस exterior angle के opposite में interior angles कौन से हैं? ये दोनों. और इन दोनों का sum कैसा होता है? Equal. Clear? तो यहाँ पे angle BCA is equal to, we can write दोनों के sum के equal होगा. Angle BCA is equal to angle CAD plus angle CDA. Now angle BCA is 60 degree is equal to CAD, angle CAD plus angle CAD. You can write in place of angle CDA, angle CAD because both are equal. Now CAD plus CAD, twice of CAD, angle CAD. Now angle CAD becomes 30 degree when we divide it. Now see the angle BAD. To angle BAD we can write angle BAD as angle BAC and angle ACCAD. देखिए एंगल BAD जो है ना उसको हम क्या राइट कर सकते हैं? एंगल BAC प्लस एंगल CAD. क्योंकि ये जो पूरा कंप्लीट एंगल है, ये क्या एंगल BAD है। BAD इज इक्वल टू राइट, यू कैन राइट एंगल BAD इज इक्वल टू एंगल BAC प्लस एंगल CAD। Now angle BAC is 60 degree, we know it because it is an equilateral triangle, and CAD हमें हम लोग ने फाइंड किया 30 डिग्री आया। So we write here 60 plus 30 it comes 90। BAD एंगल कितना आ गया 90 डिग्री, ये 60 था और ये 30 अभी हम लोग ने फाइंड किया, तो 60 plus 30 कितना हो गया 90 डिग्री। तो ये एंगल BAD कितना हो गया 90 डिग्री। इट मींस if angle BAD is 90 degree, it means AD is perpendicular on AB. Clear? It implies that AD is perpendicular on AB. Note down it and do it yourself again, and do the rest questions in homework. And in next turn we will start inequalities. Thank you.